Are you proud of the fact that you work every single day? Well, let me tell you something. I don't know if that's a badge of honor. Hey, badass business owners. If you're like me, you love what you do. You work all the time. I'm telling you, I swear some days I work 24/7. I couldn't tell you the last time I had a day off. Now, part of that's because of one business. Part of it's because I have two businesses. But I also know that I've been like this my entire life. I have been a workaholic. And I also know of business owners who are proud of the fact that they work every single day. There's a guy in town that brags about the fact of how many days in a row he has worked. And what's amazing is you kind of see two parts to the feedback. Some people are like, oh my God, that's amazing. I can't believe how busy you are. Congratulations. But when I see it, it's funny because it's like looking in the mirror and seeing it come back. And I'm going to tell you, I'm tired. I can imagine how tired he is too. Let me tell you, folks, working every single day is not a badge of honor. It is something that we need to seriously take a step back and ask ourselves, why are we working every single day? Sometimes you're working every single day because business is just crazy busy and you just have no one else to help you out and you're having to do it all the time. Well, I hate to tell you this, you just have a glorified job that you do. You don't really have a business because you don't have the systems in place nor the people in place to be able to handle the growth that you have going on in your business. And if you're working every single day because you choose to do it, then in which case you need to kind of step back and look at priorities because we need to be able to refresh and grow just as much as we need to continue to work. It's one thing to work every day because you love what it is that you do. It is like a hobby to you at the same time. It's something that brings you joy. And I completely understand that. I love what it is that I do, and sometimes that's the cause for why I work so much. But I also know there's a lot of times that I work every single day that I don't intend to do it. I plan to take the day off, and then business pops up. And instead of me having better tools in place, sometimes, you know what? I can be just as guilty as jumping at that moment. So I just want to challenge your thinking a little bit. And I think that you want to make sure that you're stepping back. And as a workaholic, that you're say, hey, is this really what I should be spending my time and energy on? Should I be making sure that I have boundaries and that I put boundaries on myself just as much on our customers? Because a lot of times those boundaries are because we've let customers know that they can call out and reach out every single day. They can reach out any time of day, and it just creates that ongoing problem. And the reality is we need to put those boundaries in place. So make sure that when you're bragging about the fact that you work every single day, that you're proud of the fact that you work every single day. I want you to step back because it isn't a badge of honor. It is something that you need to look at, and you need to make sure that it is a choice that you're making and not because you have to do it every single day. If you love what it is that you do and it fires you up and you want to work every single day, that's fine. As long as you're not neglecting your family, you're not neglecting the rest of your responsibilities, and you're getting everything else done, hey, more power to you. It's what you love to do. But if you find that you're forced to work every single day and you like the fact that it makes you look like a strong business person because you do brag about that, then I want to challenge you. Sometimes that doesn't have the effect that you think it does. So before you go bragging, make sure that you take a step back and ask yourself, why are you working every single day?